Hi everyone, I'm back again with another hair tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how I stretch my hair with a blow dryer. Though it's not a new thing, but I feel like showing you how I blow dry my hair. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then definitely keep watching. So I'm going to start with a freshly washed hair. If you can see clearly in the video, my hair is still damp and not wet. So this is the brand of dryer I'm going to be using, and I'm going to set the fan to the highest and then the heat to the highest as well. Now I'm going to apply my jojoba oil on the section I'm going to be working with, detangle it thoroughly with a wide tooth comb, and then blow dry. So if you want to achieve a better result, you need to part your hair into small portions, just like what I am doing here. Now this is just to quickly show you that there is a huge difference between the stretched hair and the shrunken hair, just like you can see in the video. So when I'm done stretching the hair, I put it in a twist and then trim off a tiny bit, just a tiny bit at the ends. So why I like to put it in a twist after I'm done stretching the hair is so that the hair will remain elongated until I'm done with the whole process of blow drying the hair. So if you don't have energy for the twist, you can just use a rubber band or hair tie and then tie the ones you have already stretched together. Just use a rubber band and tie it together and continue with what you are doing. So once again, when I'm done twisting, I use a scissors and trim off the ends. So now I'm going to stop talking and allow you to watch the video, but please make sure you watch the video to the end so you can see how I style the hair for bedtime. And please also, you can as well use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then if you found this video helpful or you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will really do appreciate. Thanks guys.